Hello, my name is Lilian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. It has been a very long time, like very long time since you guys saw a video from me, and that's because I've been sick. I shared on my my Insta story, like on my YouTube stories. I don't know how many of you saw that video, but I told you guys I was sick and so I could not make any video. Like, it was so bad, it was horrible. Like, I was so sick, so sick, but we thank God that I'm okay now. At least, like, I'm healthy again. I'm now strong enough to make videos. So I'm so happy and I'm so excited to be healthy and to be here with you guys again. I'm so happy because I really missed you guys, and I hope you guys missed me too. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something, using something that I've never ever done before. Now, if you've been in the natural community for a while, then you probably heard about the Indian healing clay. So people have been hyping it, and like, it's almost very difficult to find a natural that has never ever tried. Like, I've been natural for 5 years and have never I've never ever tried the Indian healing clay, just because I feel like it is overhyped. Plus, it is actually an expensive hair treatment, like, to get the clay, because at least for you to do the hair mask with the bentonite clay, that, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the healing clay I'm talking about, the Indian healing clay. So that's what I'm going to be using today. Now, this clay alone is like, this alone, I got this for 5,000 naira, and it was like kind of like the cheapest place I could get it. For most places it sold for over 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira plus. That is $15 thereabout or so. I'll leave it on the screen, basically the conversion rate. And I also ordered for, like, I paid for delivery and everything like that. So this is not cheap, and you cannot use this alone. For you to use this, you have to use apple cider vinegar. So I got this the Bragg apple cider vinegar, you know. So, and that alone is also about the same price. So I spent like about 10,000 naira just for these two things, just for one hair treatment. That's one of the reasons why I've not tried it, because number one, I feel like it is overhyped. Number two, I just feel like for just one hair treatment, it's 10,000 naira, even though, like, you're going to use it multiple times, I guess. But I just could not bring myself to bring out that money to do it. But today is finally the day when I'm going to be trying it out, just because, like, the fact that I was sick and everything just made me realize that, like, you're just keeping all the money and saving it for what? Like, the money, God bless you with the money for you to spend it. So it's not like I'm not going to be saving or anything, but like, now I'm going to, I feel like if I feel like doing something, even if it's just to try it out, I'm going to bring out money and spend it. Anyway, so I'm very excited about today's video, because I really want to know if all the good things I've heard about this Indian healing clay if they are all true. I heard that it is amazing for defining curls, and it's also very nice for detoxifying your hair. So if you want to detox your hair, like, really cleanse your hair, and you don't want to use a sulfate shampoo, this is like the healthier option for you to use. So I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to try it out. I hope it doesn't end up being a flop, because if all those positive things I heard about this, if I end up using this and I find out that they are not true, all of you that have been telling me good things about it, like, you guys will give me back my money. You guys will give me back my money. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to do now is go ahead and rinse my hair with warm water. That's the first thing to do, just to give your hair the fresh start, basically. So I'm going to go now and rinse my hair. So now my hair is rinsed, but before we go into the application process, I just want to quickly go on now to just thank all of you that reached out to me when I was sick, that sent me sweet messages, that prayed for me, that had me your prayers and everything. Like, you guys are just so amazing, and I am so thankful for, like, the positive and nice community I have around me, especially here on YouTube. Like, you guys are amazing. So thank you. So now let's go on to start the application. My hair is rinsed now with warm water, so now we'll start. But before we go into the application, let me quickly show you guys how I made the mixture. So this is what it looks like. I made it extra thick, like it is very thick, and I don't know, should I add a little more apple cider vinegar to make it a little light? Well, let me just use it like this. So I'm going to be applying in sections. Also, I kind of shaped my hair while, like, when I was away. I gave myself, like, I wanted like kind of like bangs, bob anyway, and I think I got it this time around, because now I just rinsed my hair. Like, I did not shape anything and my hair is already like forming the shape anyway. That's not why we are here. So I'm going to be applying in sections. You want to make sure that you're applying on your hair, like all the way, all over your hair, and also on your scalp. Like from the videos I've seen, like you're not going to get sleep from using this. For anything like this should not be used to detangle. So you want to make sure that you detangle your hair before you do this. Now, I told you guys that I shaped my hair while I was away, and I detangled my hair with a comb while I was shaping it. So my hair is actually like really detangled this period, like today. I did that like some days ago. So you want to make sure that you're working it in and making sure that every strand basically gets some of the clay. Now I'm very thankful that I made it thick, because now as I'm applying the clay on my hair, like I don't know, maybe it's because my hair is wet, like it's becoming watery on my hair. Like as soon as I apply it, I don't know if you guys can see my hands. See my hand, like it's watery on my hands, even though like the clay is very thick, like it is really thick. So you want to make, I think you should make this thicker, a little thicker than normal. I also hear that this is very good for the skin, so you can apply on your skin too, like on your face too. I did not add anything to my mixture, like I did not add any extra things, so I just used the apple cider vinegar and the clay, just because I'm using this for the first time. So I just want to see how it will work alone before I add any other thing. So far I'm enjoying the application process. If you take a big section, you want to try to break it down and make sure that like you get in there and make sure that every strand gets some of the clay. You don't want to be applying on the section outside and then those strands that are inside are not getting anything. So you want to make sure that you break it down. I'm starting to think that I should not have wet my hair first, because it looks nothing like how it normally looks when I see it on other people's hair. Like when other people use, like when I watch like all the videos I've watched, like their hair usually look really weighed down and elongated, but like my hair looks like I have my regular DIY deep conditioner in it. Like it's not even weighed down or anything like that, just looks normal. Well, I'm done applying it all over my hair, and so far I feel like I'm not like super hyped, and I'm not like, I feel like it looks like how my hair normally looks when I apply deep conditioner, or maybe it's a little bit more elongated, or like about like I was expecting it to be elongated, like, you know, but that's not the case. My hair still looks really kinky. But that's probably because I have coarse strands, so like it takes a lot to weigh my hair down, like to really weigh my hair down. But so far my hair is not like dry yet. I just finished applying, so like it's still kind of damp, so I'm going to wait for it to dry. You're not supposed to cover this with a plastic bag, so you're just going to leave it exposed for it to dry. I'm going to wait for it to be dry, like dry and crunchy, before I go ahead to rinse it out. To rinse out, I'm going to be using warm water to rinse it out, because I heard that using warm water just helps to make the process faster. So that's what I'm going to be doing, but it's not bad. But let's just wait and see how it will look like when it is dry and when I'm done rinsing out everything. I'm back. I think I've waited for up to 1 hour. My hair is mostly dry, like just the root of my hair is still like damp, but as you guys can see, but I cannot wait any longer. I wanted to wait for everything to be dry and like crunchy, but I don't think that will happen anymore. But this is what it looks like, pretty much dry. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out. I'm going to be rinsing it with warm water, because I heard, like I said, rinsing in warm water just helps to make the whole process faster. So I'll rinse. I think I'll have a bath, as actually like, I'll take a shower, because this is not something I think that will be easily rinsed in the sink. So I'm going to, you know, have my bath as I rinse it out, and then we shall be back. But like I was actually expecting it to feel really crunchy and like scary, that my hair will break or things like that, but it kind of feels, even though the parts that are dry, like cause my ends are dry, even though the ends that are dry, like it still feels kind of soft. Like it's not like stiff and like really scary and crunchy or anything like that. So I'm starting to think that most of the stories I heard about this are false. But fingers crossed. So now the last thing that will make it like, okay, this is false or not, is when I rinse it out, if I'm going to have a lot of definition, because I heard that this is supposed to make your hair very defined. Like I've seen it happen in other people's hair, like in videos that I've watched. So hopefully let's just wait and see if that's if that's the results it's going to have, that I'm going to have today. So let me go ahead and rinse that out, and then I'll be back in a few minutes. So I'm done rinsing out the clay from my hair, and I don't know how I feel. Like my hair feels like soft and nice, like I deep condition or something. Like it's really soft, and funny enough, it was actually very easy to rinse out. Like I was actually surprised like at how easy it was to rinse out, maybe because I used warm water, like it was easy to rinse out. Now as for the definition, I'm not seeing any definition that is like beyond the ordinary of how my hair normally looks. Like this is how my hair looks when I'm done deep conditioning my hair. Like this is about the amount of definition I normally get. So but my hair actually feels extra soft. Like it feels extra soft, and it's actually funny that this is this is supposed to be a detoxifying treatment and stuff like that, because my hair it doesn't feel stripped at all. Like it feels like really soft. I'm actually surprised by how soft it feels. So do I think it is worth the hype? Well, I don't know. To be honest, I don't think so. Like I don't think so. I don't think it is worth the hype. Like I get like something similar when I use my Dudu Washroom, my DIY deep conditioner, that cost me like Dudu Washroom like 200 naira, and my DIY deep conditioner, like I think altogether it cost me less than 1,000, like 1,000 naira or so to make like a batch, you know, less than 1,000 naira to make a batch. So I don't think it is worth all the hype that I've been seeing online, but that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think like my hair looks amazing, like so different from how it normally looks when I do all my other routines, or do you think like the hype is like it's overhyped? Do you think the Indian healing clay is overhyped? Let me know down in the comment section below. So now I'm just going to go ahead and deep condition my hair and go ahead and style. I think I'm going to be wearing a wash and go today. So based on how my hair feels really good, like, you know, but for the price that I had to spend for my hair to feel like this, I don't think it's worth it. Like, I can get these similar results when I use things that are very, very affordable, you know. So for that reason alone, I don't think it is worth the hype. Plus, I've not seen any crazy definition in my hair. My hair just looks normal. Just looks normal. So yeah, so with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.